How's it going, guys? Josh Olufemii here, live in LA. We're going to try to release a tutorial every day this month, so stay tuned. Remember, in the description of every one of these videos, you can get a free month of Envato elements below. It's amazing. We have in store for you today our next quick tip with Quinn.
Hey guys, here is a quick tip on how to add a new element to your in-camera photography, which is to actually use a CD to add reflections while you're shooting. That is, hopefully you still have some CDs laying around. I still do. So basically you're gonna hold it up to your lens as you're filming, play around with different angles, and it's gonna kind of add this cool, hazy, reflective look. Especially if you don't like to do things in post, this is a great way to get that effect right away, and you can manipulate it however you want in camera. That's it. Hope this helps, and thanks so much for watching.